This is a follow-up on our previous video. We advise you to watch the original one before you proceed here. Today, I'll be giving a really short update on Solar3D. If you've been following the stock for the last few days, then you'll probably know that since September 26th, the company has constantly been among the most traded ticker symbols on the OTC markets. Its popularity, however, seems to be coming to an end. Simply put, Solar3D is running out of steam, as attested by the smaller and smaller volume it registers. The Fluff PRs that gave the stock a push during the last few weeks have an increasingly weaker effect, that's for sure. And actually, the release themselves weren't really tied to the company's business. The first one was actually barely related to Solar3D. Mr. Obama simply commented Jackson Family Wines, one of the company's clients, for its commitment to solar energy. And since Solar3D is a provider of such, it got some of the spotlight. The second, however, is a classic Fluff PR, a cost of analysis that covers the reduction in expenses in building solar panels during the last 5 years. As expected, here you can see a lot of forward-looking statements for the glorious future of solar energy. But again, this is in the past. The media exposure can't last forever, and now the company has to find another means in attracting attention, or at least to solidify its standing with its current investors. The latest 8K from the company seems to do this job at least marginally. In a bid to uplift the develop itself, Solar3D offered incentives to some of the principal officers in its Solar United Network subsidiary. The rules are as follows. If the net income from operation exceeds $2 million for the 4 preceding quarters, each of the officers would receive 2.4 million shares. They would also receive 2 more batches of that amount if the net income reaches 3 and 4 million respectively. The news appeared to be generally received with warm embrace. Investor forums buzz with the sentiments that if the company's putting out such potential rewards, then they're probably not unachievable. Whether the investors themselves will gain anything from this, we'll just have to wait and see, as the share structure continues to be incredibly diluted. This is Martin Nadinoff for HotStock.com.
I have a small amount of money to invest and I want to gamble in the market. I'm looking for a penny stock that'll go up and turn it into $100,000 or $1 million.